Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoNinjas. Today, we're taking a deep dive into MEXC exchange. I'll not only explain what makes it stand out in 2025, but also give you a full step-by-step walkthrough of how to sign up, secure your account, fund it, and start trading on both the centralized and decentralized sides of MEXC. Let's jump right in. So, what is MEXC and why use it? MEXC is one of the fastest growing crypto exchanges in the world. With over 10 million users globally, it's become known for two things: speed and accessibility. By speed, I mean MEXC is almost always one of the first exchanges to list new tokens. Whether it's meme coins, real world asset projects, or the latest AI tokens, you'll often see them on MEXC before they make it to Binance, Coinbase, or any of the other big names. That early access can be huge for traders who want to get in before the hype. By accessibility, I mean it's one of the easiest platforms to get started on: low trading fees, lots of deposit options, and simple interfaces for both beginners and advanced traders. But MEXC isn't just about trading. It has a full ecosystem: futures, staking, launchpads, airdrops, and even a decentralized exchange interface built into the platform. So, if you're looking for an all in one exchange where you can start small, grow, and eventually explore advanced tools, MEXC really checks all the boxes. And don't forget, when you sign up, use referral code MEXC or the link in the description. That'll give you discounts on fees and extra rewards. All right, let's go step by step through the centralized exchange interface first, and then I'll touch on the decentralized side. Step 1: signing up. To get started on MEXC, you'll need to create an account. You can sign up with either your email address or phone number. Once you put in your details, MEXC will send you a verification code. Just enter that and boom, you're in. It's quick, it's smooth, and you don't need to go through a ton of paperwork just to get started. Step 2: securing your account. Now, security is crucial. MEXC makes it very clear that there are two levels of account security: basic and advanced. Basic security includes things like two factor authentication, mobile verification, email verification, and passkeys. These are the essentials you should always set up, especially two factor authentication. Then there's advanced security. Here, you'll find features like the anti phishing code, which is super important because it prevents fake emails from impersonating MEXC. You've also got fun security settings: login password management, and the ability to authorize or restrict third party apps connected to your account. Now, let's talk about KYC. This is one area where MEXC is different from some exchanges. KYC on MEXC is optional. You can still deposit, trade, and even withdraw without completing KYC, but your daily withdrawal limit will be capped. If you want higher limits, stronger account recovery, and more protection in case of loss, it's worth completing the KYC process. So, my recommendation: at the very least, set up basic and advanced security before you deposit any money. And if you're serious about trading larger amounts, go ahead and do KYC too. Step 3: funding your account. Now that your account is secure, it's time to get money into it. And this is where MEXC gives you a lot of flexibility. The first option is the Buy Crypto tab. Inside this tab, you'll see several methods: Quick Buy, which lets you purchase crypto instantly with Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, or even SEPA bank transfers; P2P trading, which means you can buy directly from other users using payment methods like bank transfer, PayPal, and more; fiat deposit through SEPA bank transfer if you prefer moving larger sums directly from your bank; and third party services like Mercurio, which also support Visa, MasterCard, and Apple Pay. But maybe you already own crypto. In that case, you can simply deposit on chain. You choose the asset, for example, USDC, and then copy the deposit address. Just make sure you select the right network, like Ethereum or BSC. There's also a neat feature if you've got friends already using MEXC, internal transfers. You can deposit directly using your email address, phone number, or MEXC UID. No gas fees, no waiting for confirmations. It's instant. So, however you want to fund your account, fiat, P2P, crypto deposits, or internal transfers, MEXC has you covered. Step 4, markets. Once your account is funded, it's time to trade. Let's start with the Market tab. Here you can browse all the tokens listed on MEXC, and there are thousands of them. They're grouped into categories like tokenized stocks, RWAS, meme coins, stablecoins, and more. There's also a macro data section. This shows you big picture financial and crypto news that might affect the market. Super helpful if you're trying to trade based on sentiment. And finally, the heat map. This is a visual overview of which coins are pumping and which are dumping. A quick glance can tell you where the money's flowing. Step 5, trading on spot. Next is the spot tab. This is where you trade cryptocurrencies directly, buying and selling at current market prices. The cool part about MEXC is that you can customize your trading terminal to look the way you want. You'll also see unique features like Meme Plus, which gives you access to early listed meme coins. But remember, early meme coins are extremely risky. Don't put in more than you're willing to lose. There's also pre market trading. This is where you can buy or sell tokens before they officially list on the exchange. It's high risk, but can be very rewarding if you time it right. Then you've got the MX zone, which is exclusive to holders of the MX token, and MEXC Alpha, which offers premium features and early access to certain projects. So, whether you're into a safe, established projects or risky, early gems, the spot market gives you options. Step 6, trading on futures. Now let's move to the futures tab. And this is where MEXC really shines. MEXC is known for having some of the lowest fees and highest leverage in the industry. If you're a futures trader, that's a big deal. On top of regular futures, you'll also find tools like grid trading, which lets you automate buy and sell orders across price ranges. Prediction futures, where you can make bets on specific outcomes. Copy trading, where you can follow and copy the strategies of successful traders. And demo trading, which lets you practice with fake money before risking the real thing. There are also tons of events tied to futures, like M-Day events, reward hubs, where you can earn bonuses, and leaderboard competitions. So, whether you're a beginner, learning the ropes, or an advanced trader looking for deep liquidity and leverage, MEXC Futures is a top tier option. Step 7, earning passive income. Now, not everyone wants to actively trade. Some people just want to earn passively. And that's where the Earn tab comes in. Here you'll find things like staking, where you lock up your tokens and earn rewards. You'll also see MEXC's Launchpad and Launch Pool, where you can participate in new token launches. There's Airdrop X, which gives you access to token giveaways, and Kickstarter, where you can vote for new projects and earn bonuses for participating. So, even if you're not a hardcore trader, there are plenty of ways to make your crypto work for you. Step 8, referral and affiliate programs. MEXC has a really good referral and affiliate programs. If you bring your friends onto MEXCC, you'll earn commissions on their trading fees. The more people you bring in, the more passive income you generate. And if you're running a community or content channel, the affiliate program gives you even bigger perks. And finally, step 9, the decentralized exchange. Interface MEXC also has a decentralized exchange for people who prefer self-custody. Here, you connect your wallet like MetaMask or Phantom and trade directly on-chain. You can use the swap feature, cross-chain bridge, and portfolio tools. The advantage of the DEX side is that your funds stay in your wallet, so you keep control. But remember, you'll have to pay gas fees, and you'll need to be extra careful with things like fake tokens and phishing links. And that's the full review of MEXC Exchange. If you're looking for a complete crypto exchange that balances speed, accessibility, and opportunity, MEXC is definitely worth checking out. And don't forget, use our referral code MEXC CNJYT or the link in the description to get started with the best possible perks. This has been today's review and tutorial on MEXC. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe to CryptoNinjas, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Until next time, trade safe, earn smart, and I'll see you in the next video.